What's the best thing about Switzerland? I don't know, but the flag is a big plus. These are terrible. Did you hear about the mathematician who's afraid of negative numbers? He'll stop at nothing to avoid them. Is TensorFlow still doing this thing? Oh no, Pip's having a heart attack. Yesterday, I saw a guy spill all his Scrabble letters on the road. I asked him, what's the word on the street? Did you hear about the actor who fell through the floorboards? He was just going through a stage. I mean, it's alright. Did you hear about the claustrophobic astronaut? He just needed a little space. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. VSCode, please be almost done. How many packages have we got left? Jedi. Jedi? There's a package called Jedi.